Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the logo design process for the letters H plus M. Firstly, I'll type the initials, which is H plus M, and lock the layers by pressing Ctrl plus 2. Create a straight line which is going to be for the left side of H by using pen tool. You can select the pen tool by pressing P, and I'll adjust the size of line and duplicate it by holding Alt and Shift key together and moving it to the right side. And I'll adjust the strokes for both the lines, and I'll create another line which is going to be for M, which will be in the middle of both lines, so that it looks like H and M together. Now I'll try to fix it. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll expand by going to the object, expand, and OK. Now we'll have to make all the lines into the same angle. So we have to create more lines above that, so that we can use shape builder tool to cut the extra part which we will going to be extracting from the lines. Okay, that's all. Here we have our icon HM. Now I'll apply it on a mockup, which is going to be in Photoshop. So here we have our mockup. I'll leave the link in the description for the mockup if you want to download it. So we have to find a layer for the logo, which is going to be a smart object, and I'll remove the existing logo by deleting it and paste our logo, which is HM, like that, and I'll save it. So yeah, we have our mockup ready. I'll adjust it by moving it downwards like that, and press Ctrl plus S to save it again. So yeah, we have our mockup ready, and I'll crop it according to the reel ratio, which is 16:9.